How to recover deleted Instagram stories. Hey guys, in this video, we're going to show you how to recover deleted Instagram stories. Sometimes we delete a story by mistake or just want it back later. And Instagram has an option for that. Instagram saves your deleted stories for a limited time in a special folder, so you can restore them if you change your mind. First, open the Instagram application on your mobile device and log into your account if you are not already logged in. Now, to show you how it works, I'm going to post a story. Tap on your story from the top left corner. Then select a photo or video from your gallery or take a new one. After that, tap on your story to post it. Now go back and tap on the story you just posted. Here, tap on the three dots or more option at the bottom right corner. Then tap on delete. Now tap on delete again to confirm. Next, tap on the profile icon from the bottom right corner to go to your profile. Then tap on the three lines at the top right corner. Here, tap on your activity. Now scroll and tap on recently deleted. Here you will find your deleted story. Instagram keeps it for a few days, and the number of days will be shown on the screen. After that, you won't be able to restore it. Now tap on the story you want to bring back. Then tap on More from the bottom right corner. Here, tap on Restore. Now tap on Restore again to confirm. And that's it. Your deleted Instagram story is restored. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.